Hi, this is Dave, and I hope everybody's having a great Sunday. It's kind of a stormy day in May here. I'm in Texas actually today. I'm looking at a 42 view on Wildwood, and this is one of the best floor plans I've seen in a destination trailer. It's going to be about 45 feet long, tongue to the end, and it is loaded. So here you have a excellent sectional. You can make into kind of a sleeping accommodations there. Huge bar with bar stools. Pantry, you got loads of counter space, of course, in this guy. Fridge. Large bedroom. These windows are covered up, but there is this gorgeous view. Very nice closets. Sorry, I lost it there for a second. So, going up into the lofts. 2 lofts, 1 on each end. So, got this nice spiral staircase. Sleeping right there, and it overlooks the kitchen and dining area, which ceiling fan, beautiful lighting. And go to the other side. I'm saving something really cool for the end, so just wait. Kind of got some privacy on each side. Okay, so now check this out. Look at the bathroom, how big this is. So, huge shower. Washer and dryer is in here. Cabinets. Sink area, huge. Just a huge bathroom. Let's take another look at that. A really nice shower stall with the upgraded shower head. This is a 2342 view by Wildwood. The storage there. Imagine those come out to beds. I'm not sure on that. So let me look. Show you the view from up here, and then I guess that's what they call it, view. You got an excellent view. So this is the 2023 42 view by Wildwood. And you get a great fireplace. So just a gorgeous coach. I showed you the outside, but they have this right by the road, and there's so much traffic you would never. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions about this really cool unit. Have a great day.